guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make the most delicious estofado de res. So if you want to learn how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, it will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. To our saucepan, we're going to add 1 piece of onion, 2 tomatillos, 12 guajillo peppers, make sure that you clean them, 2 chile anchos, and chile de árbol. We're going to cover them with water. Set it over high heat and bring it to a boil. And once it all comes to a full boil, transfer it to the blender cup. And now we can get ready to blend. To the blender cup, we're also going to add 7 garlic cloves, a piece of cinnamon stick, allspice berries, whole cloves, salt, and all of our spices. We're going to be blending with half a cup of pickled jalapeno juice and 2 cups of water. And now we blend until smooth. Okay, and once we have our sauce, we can take it back to the stove. Okay, into our pot, we're going to add 2 pounds of short ribs, 2 pounds of chuck roast. Make sure that you cut them into small cubes, along with 2 pounds of chuck tender roast. To that, we're also going to add our 5 Anaheim peppers, 1 small onion, and 10 Roma tomatoes. Okay, now we're going to add our sauce. Strain if you need to. Just going to be adding a little beer to get the rest of my sauce. Going to mix it just to make sure that the sauce goes to the bottom, to the meat. Let me tell you, that smells delicious already. Now we're going to add our 3 bay leaves, set it over medium-high heat, and allow it to come to a simmer. Okay, and once it comes to a simmer, reduce the heat to medium-low, cover it, and allow it to cook for 2 hours. Okay, so after 2 hours, going to add our baby potatoes and carrots, along with our olives. And the olives are optional, of course. Just going to cover it and allow it to continue cooking for another 30 minutes. So after 30 to 45 minutes, check on your potatoes and make sure that they are nice and soft. So just make sure that they are done. The carrots are nice and soft. And of course, make sure that your meat is nice and tender. And it is done. So now we can get ready to serve. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. And let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy to make. It's so delicious, so flavorful. It's a family favorite for sure. And I promise you, your friends and family is going to enjoy it. So hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Okay, so cheers and enjoy. The meat, so tender, so juicy, so flavorful. The potatoes are always my favorite. And you can enjoy it with tortillas, with chips, or tostadas. This potato. But it's so good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make a super easy and delicious estofado de res. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you like the recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys at my next video. Bye.